MIHANG'O ya KIGERANIO gĩa KPSEA nĩ yambĩrĩirie guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Arutwo mirioni 1.300,000 arĩo mareka kĩgeranio gĩkĩ. Arutwo aya mareka kĩgeranio gĩkĩ thutha wa gũthoma mĩaka 6 mũgarũ na hau kabere rĩrĩa arutwo marekaga kĩgeranio ta gĩkĩ thutha wa mĩaka 8 rungu rwa mũtaratara wa mathomo wa 844. Akihingura container ya kigeranio giki mwena wa Westlands Nairobi, Minista wa Githomo Julius MIGOS augite ugitiri wa kigeranio giki ni mugacirithie, akiuga gutiri murutwo tegwika kigeranio nginyagia aria makoretwo icigo-ini iria ikoretwo na ngahiha ta Tana River.
Security system has been put in place to ensure that there are no malpractices this year, but in the event that there are, then the law will take its course and people will be penalized for the offenses that they would have committed. The hotspot areas have been mapped. We are ready to undertake these examinations, including areas that have had skirmishes like in Tana River. We managed to make arrangements for the students who are from the affected schools to be hosted in security camps like the GSU camp.
Na mugaru na hau kabere riria maabitha borithi marakuruhanagio hindi ya mĩhang'o ĩno, riu maabitha ya mekuhuthika tu kumagaria igeranio kuma container-ini na kuicokia no ti kurangira arutwo aya magika kigeranio.
These are young children and we didn't want them to be having any fear or anxiety. So we reduced the number because the security of the examinations is already secured by them.
So we shall not have anybody this time round in terms of our security colleagues being in a classroom for KPSEA. It will purely be the teacher and the pupils.
Lakini leo tumeingia tu shule kama 6 kwa basi moja. Askari alikuwa mmoja tu ndani ya basi.
Iratathi ria kigeranio giki riroka na ritwa ria murutwo na index number, na uguo gutiri murutwo ngiheo iratathi riria ritane na ritwa riake, na hakinya ni maumirira ma kigeranio giki arutwo maria mukagira ripoti not certificate.
Yeah, an assessment is not, you don't get a certificate at the end, you get a report. So even this one, a child will get a report on their progress, the school will get a report on the progress of the totality of the school, and then we have a national report which now we come and subject our discussions and evaluation.
KCPE Kachape ilikuwa inaleta tashwishi, ilikuwa inaleta msisimuko ule, manake ulikuwa mtihani wa mashindano. Lakini KPSEA hata wakati wanatoa matokeo hatujui, unaenda unaangalia katika tarakilishi yako.
Kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kigeranio giki ni kiambĩrĩirie hatari mĩhĩnga. County Commissioner Hussein Alaso akĩũria arutani arĩa mararũgamĩrĩra igeranio ici kũgĩa na wĩigĩrĩrĩki. Arutwo 12,378 nĩo mareka kigeranio giki Kirinyaga.
Parents, we want to ask the parents, let's support our children, let's support them during the time of exams. And we give them the necessary support they require.
This is an assessment, so we want to see how much the learner has achieved.
Let's look at our integrity, our honesty, and our professionalism. This exam, our parents have a lot of expectation.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa mĩhang'o ĩno gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa irathĩro rĩa bũrũri Paul Rotich agĩtĩtĩrithia bata wa kĩgeranio gĩkĩ. Kaunti-inĩ ya Narok na Laikipia mĩhang'o o ta ĩno ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere hatarĩ mĩhĩnga.
As managers of the examinations, we are responsible to the children of this country and for this nation.
So even learners that used to be discouraged and they decided to drop out of school because they were not performing well, they are enjoying the system so much.
Ũmũthĩ arutwo aya megwĩkaga kĩgeranio kĩa mathabu na gĩthũngũ, rũciũ mageka kĩgeranio kĩa integrated science na gĩthweri, na Wednesday meke creative arts na social studies. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.